Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Rear Left or Driver's Side Rear Door Lock Latch with Cable. The driver's side rear door lock latch with cable is specifically for the Ford F-150 extended cab from 2004 to 2008. Again, only for the extended cab model. What the door lock latch with cable does is it makes sure that when you operate your locks, that your rear driver's side door stays safely secure. And over time, these cables or the mechanisms inside the housings do wear, making it hard or impossible to lock or unlock your, in this case, rear door. And while this is not a genuine OEM part, it is a direct OEM replacement thanks to all the mounting locations throughout, including on the cable itself. However, this driver's side rear door lock latch with cable has improved mechanisms, metal housings, and strengthened cables. Installation of this is pretty simple. First, open your rear door, remove the door panel, and unbolt. If you have any questions about this driver's side rear door lock latch with cable, specifically for the Ford F-150 extended cab from 2004 to 2008, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.